Iba tayo ng magkabisaya, di ba? Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much. But before anything, pwede mag-thank you po. Kasi may pagsulat na.
Okay.
Moni siya. Pero salamat siya kaayo for everyone that's here tonight. Daghang salamat. Thank you so much for coming, for cheering, for singing with me. And salamat siya sa mga picture ninyo na nahurot siguro ang memory card. Salamat siya kaayo. And ayan, for anything else, thank you so much to Monsignor. I love you too. Thank you so much to Monsignor Roger Fuentes, Father Dan de Los Angeles. Thank you so much. St. Patrick Pio Home for the Relief of Suffering Philippines, headed by Sir Max Colache. Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you, Ganina. And also to Santo Padre Pio Contemplative Community of Cebu, led by Sir Richard Saig. And of course, for taking care of me, so mag-iabot ko Ganinang Buntag. Sir Pio, thank you so much. And Therese Colache, thank you so much. Salamat, Jud ka ng very alaga, Jud ko. So, kung pag-abot, busog ka ayo. Nahuhot na lang ako sa nina.
Nabusog na ka anak. So, asa na lang may ibutan na ni. Kim, naamag yung kadali ka na, I hope it's okay with you. I'd like to call in Monsignor Roger Fuentes, Sir Richard Saig, and of course, Sir Max Colache, to present the token of appreciation, the certificates to all our 12 finalists. Okay, right. Okay. We'd like to call in our finalists. Number 1.